Hello guys, here I will explain you about user input in C++ programming language. So here for the material you can browse in codecept.com or other other resource like Web3 School, and here I use for codecept.com. Okay, before to the user input, I will explain you about scene and cout. Scene and cout both of them include in IOStream library. So without IOStream library, we can use the syntax of scene and cout. Okay, here let's start read the documentation of C++ programming language, because the documentation is very important for a programmer. Okay, in C++, we use scene to get user input. Think of scene as the opposite of cout, which we use for output, and then scene for input and cout for output. Okay, here the codecept.com give a quick comparison between cout and scene. From pronounced cout as cout, used for output with the intrinsic operator like this. Okay, for a scene pronounced by cin, used for input with the extraction operator like this. Okay, so here the basic syntax for cin. Here integer number as integer for data type. So cin operator number. Okay, here I will implement in dev C++ application. So open the dev C++ application. You can to give the name with user input.cpp or etc. that you want. Okay, here I will write a basic syntax from C++ first. Okay, here the basic syntax from C++. This I mean, IOStream is library that include function of scene and cout. Without IOStream, we can use syntax of cin and cout. So here for implementation for cin, we can following this syntax. Here I will create the variable with integer. As you can see the program, here I create some variable and cin syntax. That's here the value as number. The mean of this program that number will the value will input by user. Okay, I will try for run the program. Okay, here the program has opened the new windows, and here we can type the character like integer, string, or etc. Okay, here I will try input by 20. As you can see, the program successfully to run. The mean 20. Okay, the mean from that program. Sorry, I will run again the program. Okay, here 20 and cin. here the variable of number filled the value with 20. That's for the basic syntax by cin. Okay, if we can see the output from the number, we can write a syntax cout number, and then if we run the program and I will input 20, here the program will give the feedback or the output as 20. That's the mean number filled the value with 20. Okay, so let's back to the method. Here a sample solution from this task. Okay, declare an integer variable a, take a number from the console as assign it to a, print the assigned value with the text your number is. Okay, here I have, okay, like this. Here I have to do the task, and here that the script same, but we can to write your number is with string. Okay, here we can to give the value like your number is number. Okay, if we run the program, I will write with 10, your number is 10. That's mean number variable assigned by 10. Okay, let's back to the codecept.com. So here implement for multiple user inputs. C++ makes it easy to take multiple input in a single line. Let's see how. Integer a, b, cin, a, b, cout, b, a, and line. And line this used for the next column. Okay, we can try to this syntax. A, B. Okay, for cin, A, sorry, A, B, A, B. So for cout, let's B. Okay, and line. Okay, we will try to run the program. Here I will give 20, 10, the value 10, 20, 10, because the variable b assigned with 10 and variable a assigned by 20. Okay, that's multiple in C++ programming language. It's very easily and simply for programmer. But remember, multiple variable just can in one data type like integer or string, string name, address, like this. You can't to do with integer a assigned with string a, you can't to do it because the multiple input just can in one data type. Okay, That's all from user input in C++ programming language. In the next video, I will explain you about C++ programming language like condition and looping. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.